Hello, dear parents, and hello, my chelakuttis. The last story that we posted in Tamil, which was called The Magical Flower or Adisayappu. So, after which I had actually included an art activity, and in which I had told that coloring within the outline and tearing on a given outline are activities that will improve attention span of kindergartners, preschool or play school children, kindergartners. It will help, and without using a scissors is always a little unsafe for kids, though we have child safety scissors these days. So that is why I suggested tearing, and tearing, of course, is that they follow the outline and they tear, and there is a lot of concentration in that helps to build the attention span of children. So then we also had mentioned there to post us emails if you had any queries, and there were some emails that requested us to include activities for primary school children which can improve their attention span. When people can be more attentive and spend time on one work, sorry, not people, kids can be more attentive and spend time on one work, obviously their concentration improves, performance improves. So yes, today I'm going to come over with some activity, a very simple activity, and I am giving you a lot of other suggestions also. Okay, what activity I'm going to do today is called line art illusion. It can also be called pattern doodle. I think doodle is a very familiar name because doodle making, mandala art, zentangle, these are different arts. These titles, if you search on YouTube, you will get plenty of suggestions for beginners, for even elders, to keep us calm. Meditation, it is a kind of meditation art, and art heals a lot. So all of us can do the activities like that. So like I told you, doodle, drawing a doodle on any topic, and mandala, there is even dot painting nowadays, so usage of color, creativity everywhere. So today I'm going to demonstrate a small work of line art illusion, and I'm going to show you some pictures of line art illusion that I have done, so you can have your own imagination and can get the children to do this, and I hope it helps you. Please keep mailing to us at sabutri@gmail.com with your queries, and we will try to reach up to you and get back to you as early as we can with the best of answers that we have with us. And the email, the right spelling, please follow the description. It's right there. And let's get into the artwork. Some of the artwork that I spoke to you about. First one, doodle art. Take your own topic, express yourself as creatively, as colorfully you can. Next is mandala art, or even zentangle is something similar to this. And then line art illusion, as I spoke to you about. And the first one, I've just taken a simple triangle, moved into different shapes. Here I have added some color. Use your own shapes, your own creativity. So just sharing you a technique. I have used whiteboard here because the marker moves very smoothly right from the outline. See, I'm not touching the points. I'm moving a little away, but touching all the three sides of the triangle, and that is one. Next one, I'm doing it on paper where I have divided a square into 4 quadrants, and there goes it. I'm sure that there are some of you who are already familiar with this. I mean, the parents, and some of you are really experts in drawing. And for sure, I trust parents are going to motivate your children, encourage them, and help them improve their attention span. So, that is line art illusion for you. I hope this is going to be of help to you. Line art illusion. You can get into, like I told you, dot painting, drawing mandalas, coloring. You even get ready-made books with mandalas for coloring. I would rather suggest that let the child draw, because we want the child to get creative, imagination to grow, attention span to improve, and performance. They always give their best. We just need to give them the guidance, the right guidance. Okay, so we have done our study. We have the modules ready for handwriting. So the classes or the videos will be posted soon, starting next week. 10 modules. See you soon in our next video. Please do mail your queries to us and we will come with the best answers as early as we can to you. Thank you very much.